Hello everyone. In this today's video I will show you how to apply Business Application Studio or how to configure Business Application Studio with the SAP BTP trial account. So if you have that SAP trial account, you can log into the trial accounts, but if you click on that SAP Business Application Studio, you will get error because still you don't have that subscription of that. So if you want to enable Business Application Studio, first you have to create a sub account. On that sub account you have to add the Business Application Studio. So now go to the trial accounts, and I will also show you there is a common error. I have found that after creating the sub account they cannot see the Business Application Studio. So that's I also handle how to create this. So now I am in that trial accounts. From here actually you can see that that is the trial accounts. From here I have to just create a, so sub account is not there, so I have to create sub account. So first of all I have to select a region. So it's always better to use US East because I always get some extra facilities which is not available in that other. So I'm selecting US VA, and that is the Amazon Web Service, and I have to give a name. So for example I always give the same name here. So already I got a subdomain name, so I can give a description like my sub account on US East VA. So I can also see the parent. The parent ID is the global, so just have to click the create. So that is just visual part, but it is, you can see that is the ongoing process. I can see the list here, that is, you can see that it is on process. So actually it is creating, so it will not take that much time, it's already done. So now you have that sub account, and that is the US East. You can change the sub account names based on your actually that is your preference. So from here what we have to do, we have to log in that newly create sub account. Okay, so first of all we have to enable that enable Cloud Foundry. It's it will also take not that much time, it's also creating. So now what we have to do, if we go to the service marketplace, then from that service marketplace we have to enable the Business Application Studio. But the problem is that, see, the Business Application Studio is not there. So what you have to do, so first of all you have to go to the entitlements. So from here, so if you check, it is also not there, so you have to go to the configure entitlements. So add the so from here you can see the add service plan. So now you will find here SAP Business. See, the SAP Business Applications Studio is here. So you need to click on the trial, add on service plan. So now you have to save this. Just normally save. It is saving the entitlements. So let it done. So this is done. So now if you go to the service marketplace, see, it is available here. So you need to just click here, and now it's already here. So now if you go to here, actually you have to create this service. So click on that, and that is the plan, the trial, and just create. So actually it is in process. I can see the view subscription. So it's still in process. We have to wait. Let it complete, and it is already completed. So here actually we have to, it's some rule is there, so it's fine. So our views look good. So now we have to go to the application, or if we go to like that, so now if we click on that, explore, okay. So now it's all done. Your business application studio is ready. So now from here you have to create a dev space. So basically here you can create dev space maximum 2, and you can select based on your requirements. But if you select that for example full stack cloud application, so I always select that additional things which is not included in that cloud. So you can select whatever your preference, but you can select all, that is also okay. It will just take a space. So create new dev space. That here you have to give a name, so like stack is look good. So create dev space. It is creating the dev space. So now it's that is my name, and it is automatically starting. We have to wait, so let's wait. So by this time we can also check that, like earlier we also get error from here. So now we should not get any error. So if we go to the trial account. So now if we click on that Business Application Studio, then you can log in to that Business Application Studio. It is opening. Yeah, and now you can see that this is running. So just click on that. So Business Application Studio is starting. Let it start. So now your SAP Business Application Studio is ready for your development, and that is everything is same like a Visual Studio Code. And but what we need to create a SAP Cloud connector. Otherwise you will not get data or service from your local machine. So that is in the next video I'll show that. Thank you.